Here are 10 powerful websites that every graphic designer or creative professional should know. The first one is Spline. This is a browser-based 3D program that is very powerful. Spline allows you to create 3D objects, manipulate these objects, do 3D art and animate them very easily. It's essentially 3D for people who use 2D all the time. So people like me who don't do 3D in Blender because it's way too difficult, they can use Spline and it will be easy for them. The results are pretty great. There's so many tutorials and it's free. So you can go ahead, click the link down below to find out more. Number 2 is Dopely. This is a free website with many graphic design tools to help you. You've got color palette generators, gradient generators, color wheel mixers, color wheel converters, color tone generators, a colorpedia, which I've never seen before, color name finder, color harmony, color picker. It's a lot about color, and as a graphic designer that can sometimes struggle with color theory, then this is the website for you because it helped me out a ton. I don't know how they make these websites free. It's incredible. VJType.com is an amazing, cool aesthetic website showing you some amazing typefaces and fonts. These are some of the most aesthetically pleasing fonts that I've seen. So if you've got a new project or maybe you've got a passion project where you need a certain font for a poster, this is a website for you to go and find that one font that you love. Speaking of loving things, I love when my colors that I choose are accessible to everyone. Colorcontrast.cc is a checker for contrast. You can put 2 colors in there and check them both for contrast and see where they fail or pass in different checkers. You've got AA, large, AAA, large, AA, normal, AAA, normal. And it gives you example type as well, and it really shows you the color on the screen. So if you're not sure whether your foreground color is going to work with the background color with contrast for multiple different reasons, then put it into color contrast checker. It works every time. The next powerful website is Walling, who are sponsoring this video for good reason. Walling is a beautiful and engaging alternative to sharing your work through emails, documents, and presentation slides. You can create and share beautiful pages for your ideas, your creative work, project proposals, or a sales pitch or invoice. Add images, files, tables, and project schedules, and customize the design and colors of the wall to create a stunning presentation of your work. With just one click, you can publish your wall and send it to your client. The wall's also responsive on the phone as well, so it makes it super easy to use your mobile device. Any app or website that is powerful enough to allow me to replace a bunch of other apps, I am taking advantage of it, and Walling does just that. Start using Walling today and take your work to the next level. The next powerful website is freefaces.gallery. The website is a curation of a beautiful typefaces available under a variety of free licenses. It has an awesome UI as well to really let you see how the type works. I don't know, I thought this was pretty powerful. It lets you see the font in real action before you even go and download it. And the way that they've curated the site and built it is just lovely. So go and check them out. The next website is Assets4D. This is my very own design resource website that we continually update and bring new resources to you. We're about to release the Brand Guidelines Volume 2. This template allows you to create brand guidelines for your client, fully customizable in just a few clicks. Simply open up the brand guidelines template, double click on the logo, add the logo in, change the colors that are global, add your own images, and boom, you've got your very own customized brand guidelines. And it makes sure that you don't forget to add a certain slide in there. We've actually added them all in for you. So it doesn't take hours, it only takes minutes. You can click the link down below if you want to go and check this out. But also, if you would like to get the Vector Pack for completely free instead of spending money on there, sign up to my email newsletter where you'll get a free download of it. The next powerful website is mockups-design.com. Have you been struggling to find mockups that are good and free lately? Mockups/design has hundreds of mockups that are ridiculously good and they are free. Simply search for what you want and download it. Boom. And you can even ask and submit for a mockup that you need. Now that is probably one of the most powerful websites. If you're looking to take your YouTube thumbnails to the next level, this next powerful website is for you because it is ClickPilot. My good friend Brandon Shepherd, who you will know of by these amazing videos that he creates, created his own web app to allow you to test your YouTube thumbnails to see what they will look like when they're on the platform. If you know anything about YouTube thumbnails, all good design kind of gets thrown out the window, and it's very difficult to compete with other thumbnails that are on the platform. So if you're a YouTube thumbnail designer, go to the website. You can see my face on the app, which is very kind of him. And right now it's free. So go to the website, put your thumbnails in. You can check your thumbnails against titles, see if it's black or white in the background. You can see it on the search function and really get to understand how your thumbnails look against the trending competition. And the last but not least powerful app is FigJam. I use FigJam all the time for ideating. It's basically like a whiteboard where you can just write anything you want and collaborate with others at the same time. I use it for client briefs. I use it for just putting images in their mood boards. I even used it to plan out this video with my team. It isn't free, however, you can just go and use it and try it out if you want to. Click the link down below. It is ridiculously cheap. It's like $3 a month or something. Don't hold me to that. I'll need to work it out. It isn't free, but it is cheap compared to the competition, and it's one of my favorites. So go check it out if you fancy doing a lot of ideating and going down the rabbit hole with certain research topics that you want. If you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. I'll catch you in the next one. See you soon. Goodbye.